Yeah, well, I always tell people to be careful when they're screwing in the screw into the swash plate. I stripped mine, so I had to upgrade to the, didn't have to, but upgraded to the Terrat DFC swash plate. Alright, now how does that look? Got that matching tail rotor blade and the same Linux tail fin that we have on the Trex 500. Love that funky orange glow. I'm gonna have to get the orange washers to go with this baby too. Make them look pimped. I got the grain washers on the 700 now by Linux. So thanks for watching, everybody. Got this baby all tuned up. Next I got to change my tail servo and blades on this baby so I can tune her up so we can try and get funky. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching.